Hi foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make oats omelette. Here are the ingredients we need. First of all, we need 1/4 cup of raw oats, and I have already grinded it to make oats powder. Other than that, we need 2 eggs, finely chopped onion, a tomato, green chili, curry leaves, and we need coconut oil, salt to taste, pepper and turmeric powder. Let's start. Crack open the eggs and mix it well. After about 2 or 3 minutes, add salt, turmeric powder and pepper to the eggs mixture as your taste. It's time to add chopped onion, tomato, green chili and curry leaves to the mixture and mix it as well. Now add oats powder and again mix it. All the ingredients should mix well until there are no lumps. Take a pan and switch on the flame, then add some coconut oil to the pan. When coconut oil is heated enough, add your omelette mixture into the pan. Spread it all over the pan to make good a shape. Close the lid and cook it for a few minutes. After about 2 or 3 minutes, open the lid and check whether omelette is cooked well. If you want, you can cook other side of the omelette as well. But I prefer keep only one side. Our oats omelette is ready. Now you can switch off the flame. Oats omelette is ready. Serve it hot. Thank you for watching our video. See you again with a lovely recipe.